crying little.
Yoga.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video I am going to share with you all how to create a smoky eye makeup look. I know there are a lot of tutorials for smoky eye makeup look. However, I thought of adding one more to the lot. It's a classic black smoky eye makeup look and I have paired it with nude lips, and you can always wear dark lips as well, but I find it a bit overwhelming, so I always pair my dark eye makeup with nude lip. You can always carry this sort of look in parties, and black smoky eye is a classic and it looks really good with all the outfits. So if you are interested in watching how I created this look, then please continue watching. But आगे बढ़ने से पहले please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like this video. Also press on the notification bell which is just next to the subscribe button so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Now let's just get started. So I'm going to start with my eye makeup first, and उसके लिए मैं use करूँगी O2O की ये O Darling palette, and उसमें से I'm going to pick this shade as my transition shade, and I'm going to apply it on my crease. I'm just going to pack and build the color until I'm happy with the intensity. Then I'll use this burnt orange kind of a shade, and I'm going to apply it below my transition shade. जहाँ पे मैंने अपना जो transition shade लगाया था उससे थोड़ा सा नीचे मैं इस कलर को अप्लाई करूँगी. Then using this K Beauty का काजल, I'm going to apply it on my eyelids. इसको मैं just roughly ही apply करूँगी because आगे मैं इसको smudge कर दूँगी. Then smudging the kohl on my eyelids. Then I'll take this black eyeshadow from the same palette और मैं इसको अपनी eyelids पे अच्छे से पैक करूँगी. I'll take the color slowly. एक साथ मैं बहुत सारा कलर नहीं पिक करूँगी, धीरे धीरे मैं कलर को पिक करूँगी, and I'm just going to pack it on my eyelids. उसके बाद with that same burnt orange color, I'm going to blend the black eyeshadow with my transition shade just to give a nice and smooth gradient look. Moving on to my face, I'll apply this Pond's gel as my moisturizer. And for priming up my face, I'll use the Swiss Beauty ka primer. It's a really nice pore filling primer. For foundation, I have used the Huda Beauty 4 Filter Foundation, and I'm going to mix it with the Indulgio Essential Rose Gold Oil. This is because ये जो हुडा ब्यूटी का फाउंडेशन है इसकी जो कंसिस्टेंसी है इट्स रियली थिक, तो इसको थोड़ा सा टोन डाउन करने के लिए आई एम गोइंग टू मिक्स द ऑयल, and then I'm blending it with my Plume Microfiber Celestial Sponge. It's a really nice sponge in the price point that it comes in, and I highly recommend it. Moving on to concealer, I have used the PAC Spotlight Concealer. This is in the shade number 10 Mocha, and मैं इसे अपनी under eyes पे लगाऊंगी, blending it again with the same Plume sponge. And then to set my under eyes, I'll use this Sugar ka loose setting powder. It's a really nice setting powder. I'll just set under my eyes, and for setting the rest of my face, I'll use this Fit Me Ka Compact in the shade 330 Toffee, and I'll set the rest of my face. उसके बाद आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई द सेम के ब्यूटी का काजल in my waterline, and I'm going to further smoke it out with the same eyeshadow that I applied in my crease. Smoky eyes करते समय it looks really nice if you smoke out your lower lash line. It looks really nice and polished. Then for bronzer, I have used this Kiko Milano bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze up my face a little bit because I haven't used any kind of cream contouring in this look. So I'll bronze up my face to give my face nice shadows effect. Then for blush, I'll use this Color Bar ka Matte Illusion blush. It's one of my favorites. It's in the shade Fallen Leaves. बहुत ही अच्छा सुंदर peach color है ये, and it's really complementing with this eye look. For highlighter, I have used this eyeshadow quad from MUA, and I have used this iridescent sort of a color, and it's looking really beautiful. I'm going to apply it on my brow bone as well as a highlight, and look at the shine that it is providing. Then for lipstick, I am using the Smashbox one, the Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Stepping Out. So this would be it for this look. I hope आपको मेरा ये smoky eye makeup look पसंद आया होगा. I have tried to keep it as simple as possible. मैंने just 2 या 3 आई थिंक 3 आई शेडोज यूज़ की हैं इस मेकअप को क्रिएट करने के लिए, इस आई मेकअप को क्रिएट करने के लिए. एंड आई होप यू फाइंड दिस हेल्पफुल. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग. आई विल सी यू सून इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन टेक केयर ऑल एंड बाय.